we were good enough to win that game. And when I tell you a group of guys who dedicated themselves to several goals, one goal, beating the Saints. If I brought Matt Ryan or Michael Turner here right now, Johnny Abraham, they'd all tell you, we all looked each other in the eye when we lost that game. We said, we're not going to let this happen again. We don't care what we got to do. We're going to make sure we win this game. So when the game came, we were down the Saints, and we were, it was looking pretty bad. The guy was about to kick that field goal. Every one of us knew he was going to miss it. I mean, down to our core. If you talk about the power of belief, the power of hope, we were hoping and believing like crazy. We knew he was going to miss that field goal. Once he missed it, the offense was going to make that touchdown or make that field goal and make it happen. And it shows you like the power of team, the power of belief, the power of your heart on the football field. Now take that same